How to get Monit to remonitor a service it has unmonitored? While devising an answer to this question, I ran into a snag while testing this MySQL Monit rule set on an Ubuntu 12.04.5 setup. The issue is I was attempting to invoke start/stop items via /etc/init.d/, which is more of a CentOS/Red Hat system construct, instead of using /user/spin/service, which would be more appropriate for a Ubuntu/Debian system. Okay, my bad. But the issue is, you see that if 5 restarts within 5 cycles, then timeout part. That seems to have bit me hard. With the /etc/init.d/MySQL start command not able to work, the system attempted 5 restarts, failed 5 times and then timed out as a result. And the timeout condition seems to result in the MySQL service rule set being ignored by Monit. I've restarted the Monit service a few times and even rejiggered the rule set to see if it helps, but none of that seems to affect anything. What can I do to get Monit to pay attention to rule sets it has unmonitored due to timeout conditions being met?
After doing some digging, it turns out Monit stores system monitoring data in a state file. And this state file keeps track of what services are being monitored/unmonitored. So while this is a bit brute force-ish, it definitely works. If a service becomes unmonitored due to something like a timeout, then just remove the Monit state file from the system like this. And then restart Monit like this and all should be good. For you, on other systems/setups, the Monit state file might be saved as state or monit.state or even .monit.state, with a ./period. Appending it, in another directory. Be sure to determine exactly where that state file is being saved when you actually attempt to implement this fix.
Monit includes commands to enable and disable monitoring of all or specific services. If a service has become unmonitored, you can re-enable monitoring with, for example, Monit Monitor MySQL or Monit Monitor All. Note you must have the Monit HTTP interface enabled for these commands to work.